Now, this is not your typical video. I was driving back home from a photo shoot and this lady had just ate, as they say, my face. And I was like, oh, I gotta do a video. But I didn't know what to talk about. But lately I've been thinking about this topic of reinventing yourself, because you might not be happy with where you are currently in life. And so I said, let me just get on here and talk about this, because not only have I lived this, it is very important to know how to rebrand or reinvent yourself to be able to create the life that you genuinely desire for, that brings you peace, that gives you time freedom, and also gives you peace of mind when it comes to your finances. You just got to do it scared. Now, let me tell you this. You're probably not going to take any action, even though you don't like the life that you're living right now. If that's you, that's okay. I've been there. You can stay. In due time, the changes will come, because I'm going to teach you the exact 90-day plan that I followed to get out of a major corporate funk and quickly replace my salary. See, my last corporate experience was rough on me, mentally, physically, emotionally. Like, I also can't talk too much about it because of legal reasons. But it was rough. And when it was all over, I went even deeper into a dark place. You know, when you reach, our big age, friendships are not a lot, but the few that you have is even more than enough. And this is a shout out to all my close friends. Having good friends around you in a time where you can't even see your beginning to your end, to your center, to your middle, to just continue to pour into you, to continue to support you. Yeah, I don't know if that's something that you can teach. Anyways, I've been going off topic. Shout out to older sisters, because it was from one of my conversations with my older sister that really gave me a pivotal moment that started to change things around. There has to be something about you that is unshakable, no matter your life's experience. And what I've come to learn is this thing that I'm talking about you, that you have to have that's unshakable. I've realized that it has to be tied to something that you believe in spiritually. Because when life happens to you, there's a core fundamental that you have to believe to start getting out of it and start taking action to change that state that you don't want to be in anymore. And for me, it was believing that God had plans to prosper me. Now, that was my unshakable truth. Like, that was the core that my older sister actually brought to realization for me. So shout out to you, sis. It almost gives you like a branch, right, to be able to hold on to. I don't know what I just did there. Maybe I was going to touch the olive branch. So with that, it almost gives you a branch to be able to hold on to and pull yourself out of that funk. The reason why I said you probably desire to change the life that you're living right now, however, you're not going to do it. You're scared. There's fear that, whether you realize it or not, is driving your decision making. See, for me, the experiences I was having didn't happen overnight, and it probably would have been better for me to have left sooner than the way the events ended out. But the truth is, I was scared, but the outcome has been phenomenal. So if I knew then the outcome that I know today, would I have left sooner? I think so. Yeah, I would have. Because my health and well-being is way more important. Your health and well-being is way more important than you trying to keep a job or you trying to sustain whatever that is literally slipping through your fingers. Now, this journey of reinventing or rebranding yourself is not easy. Okay, we're in this season or generation of everybody wants the quick and transformation, quick weight loss, quick money, quick $1 million, quick snack.
That's why I'm having a quick midnight snack.
Anyways, this rebrand or reinvention you're about to go on is not going to be easy. It is simple. That's the crazy part. It is simple because it is simple, actionable steps that you can take. What do you need to do? Wake up early? What did I need to do? I had to do market research. I went ham on it. I put myself on a deadline. I finished it. I went into that state, that town, from the place I was living, packed up a few things, got on a plane, went to the different state, boots on the ground, researching the market. This is the right market? No. Went to the other market. This is the right market. All right, let me dive deeper. Let me go. Like, it takes work. And I could give you the 3 quick 5 steps of innovation and reinvention, but what is that going to do? I'm here to tell you the truth on what I went through to be able to have a life that I can only dream of. And I'm not even talking about some fancy, top-notch, like, don't worry, that one's coming. But I'm talking about owning your time. I'm talking about this idea of not having to wake up and my time belongs to somebody else or something else. That when it comes to a job now, to me, a job is about fulfilling something, whether it's improving my community, whether it's growing a skill, whether it's bringing impact. I can go in, you are messing up, I can get out.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
That's the power of time that I've bought with this journey of rebranding I went through. So in 90 short days, I was able to hit the right market, buy 5 rental properties, 5 homes. And then from there, my portfolio has just exploded. It's not by chance. It's not by some like, and you just get it done. What do you desire for yourself? How badly do you want it? What are you? And the crazy part is excuses to me. That's why when I'm talking to somebody and then they're just like, they want change, but then they keep coming up with excuses. I don't fault them. You can't fault somebody holding on to their excuse, because an excuse is a valid reason in the person's mind and their experience. It is valid, but it is keeping you from the life that you desire, the life that you want to change to. It's keeping you from it, even though the excuse is valid. So once you make that decision that you do desire to change, you do desire to do this rebrand, and that 3 months from today, you want a completely different life, what does it require for you? Is it the time that you spend doing something that is not bringing you the value, cutting that down? Is it being able to wake up at a certain time because you'll be able to do, go for the walk or read the book? Whatever it is, you have to make that decision to create that process for yourself. And I don't know about you, but I didn't have endless pots of dollars to dip into when building out this portfolio. Now, I did good in terms of investing and buying the right ETFs over time, and my portfolio had grown real good. And I've got videos on this for you. So, I'll put one at the end for you. So stay tuned. But what I'm trying to say is I had to be very, very scrappy. I had to be scrappy when I came into the business. So let me know in the comments, what do you desire to venture into? That you have been sitting on it, or that you've just been thinking about it? You guys love researching. You research, conversation, research, and you haven't even taken action. What is that thing? Let me know in the comments. And you have to be intentional, because what do you mean you don't want this job or you don't want this life, but you applying to one job? You haven't even learned the process of how the different companies and the systems look at resumes and how you need to turn your resume into a specific job description, especially now that we're going for high paying jobs. You don't just take a resume and apply to all kinds of jobs. That's not how it works anymore. Have you taken the time to learn that? Have you taken the time to understand how to restructure your resume so that it goes in for that specific job? Have you built the right relationships on LinkedIn or whatever platforms to be able to build relationships with hiring managers or people? The point is, what actions are you taking to get to the goal that you desire? This is your life. Like, this is not games, baby. This is your life. My nephew says, Auntie, I'm locked in. You gotta lock in. And the crazy part is, as much as you desire for like this quick change, it actually can happen. 90 days is just 3 months, and you can actually change your life in those 3 months, because I did it. But the question is, are you willing to put in the work? When I bought my first few properties, I had to go there. I was contractor, I was electrician LR, I was learning basic electrical stuff on YouTube until I found the electricians that I needed. No, I wasn't here rewiring things and stuff like that. But the typical person might not know how to change out a light fixture or something, and understanding the different colors of the wires. The point is, let me not go in detail. I was here drywalling. I didn't even know that that's how the houses are set up. These houses are just paper. So these houses are built with paper and some plaster and but it has been a fun journey. It has been a crazy crazy fun journey. The point is, I had to be scrappy. You see, if you genuinely desired for that change in your life and you were taking it, you don't need somebody to give you the 10 secrets, the 10 rules, the 10 steps. At this point, I know that you've done enough research. I know that the desire is so hot, so deep in you that you know exactly what next step you have to take. I promise you. Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying that you don't know exactly what next step you have to take. And to me, I call that our God power. For God being able to give us the vision of what exactly next step is. That's why sometimes I'm like, when you don't know all that you need to do, but you know your desire for something different, your desire for change, don't worry about it. Just take that next step. That's it. Just take that next step. If I tell you some of the opportunities that have come to me just because I took the step and I was in the space, so now I was surrounded with people in the space, you will be blown away. For starters, half of my portfolio came from people just knowing that I was in this space and what I was doing, whether it was from a neighbor or something of that sort. And that continues to grow. At this point, I don't even put effort. That part where you're hustling, making calls, trying to get the right deal and stuff like that, I don't do that anymore. Because it's just like I've become a magnet. I've become a magnet. Another thing I want to mention, it goes hand in hand. I want you to give yourself grace. And at the same time, I want you to change your mindset. Give yourself grace because we've been through a lot. We've been through a lot. Okay. Growing up in America is not for the faint of heart. That hustle. Okay. Nowadays, we just do soft life now. Okay. We don't want that anymore. Okay. We have graduated and moved on. So I want you to give yourself grace. You've been through a lot. You've gone through a lot. And look at where you are today. You don't even look like your troubles. You don't even look like your problems. Look at you. Look at how beautiful you look sitting there. Look how handsome you look sitting there. So give yourself grace. And at the same time, change your mindset. Because I promise you, if you believe that this is just not going to work out, this is not going to happen. If you believe you're just so busy. If you believe, oh, I'm just waiting for that thing. I'm waiting for that thing. Whatever you desire after that is either not coming or it's going to take way long than it needed to in the first place. Before I set foot into building my portfolio, I told myself that I had this portfolio. I had it. I wrote it down. I saw it. I had it. And that's the power of vision that God has blessed us with. That we can bring something to life before we bring it to life. I mean, that's basically how He created us in the first place anyways. So you have to understand that you have everything that you need in you to begin the vision that is in you. That's it. That first step, you have everything that you need to begin this rebrand. Another perspective I want you to have as you prepare yourself on this 90-day rebrand journey. The only way you are going to win is if you start. Take action. Go. Be consistent. That is the only way you are going to win. Not talking about it, not thinking about it, not dreaming about it, doing it. Doing it actually is the hardest part of the equation. Hardest. You ever met somebody who told you about how they came up with this idea first, but now that company or whomever brought it to life and now it's a big thing, but they're stuck in this era of talking about how they came up with it based on their timeline and blah, 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 blah. Did they do anything with it? So is that going to be you? What are you going to do about it? What are you going to do about it? I believe that we are blessed in life and we have the power to change our lives as a human being. As a human, but my dad used to say human being when we were younger, going human being. Anyways, I believe that as a human being, having the power to change, to create, to pivot, to build is so innately powerful. Because think of all other creations. A tree cannot get up and say, hey, today I'm going to be an elephant. It doesn't work that way. Even if the tree is in a place where it doesn't get enough sunlight, well, it's going to have to do what's going to do with the photosynthesis and be able to stretch some branches and try to get some light. An animal can't wake up one day and be like, I'm just going to be a table today. You you can get up and reinvent your life. You can get up and change your life. So what are you waiting for? What are you complaining about? What are you stressing about? Sis, wipe those tears. Sis, stop overthinking. I just wanted to kind of give you a little like, yoo-hoo, wake up, because it will hurt me to know that you desired for something different. But 6 months from today, it's the same. But 90 days from today, it's the same. Let me know in the comments what your first step on your 90-day plan to transform is. Because I'm going to hold you accountable. So let me know. I'm going to put the videos that I talked about investing, give you more actionable step-by-step on how to start investing, especially with ETFs. Definitely check it out. I think you'll be interested in it. Will I see you there? Because sis, you know that I believe in you. And I wouldn't sit here and yappa my mouth to you if I didn't believe that you are capable for the change that you desire for yourself. And know that around here, we do it scared.